Welcome back students. This is the second part, that is second video of changing time expression in the indirect speech. So we have been learning a lot of things about changing the direct speech into indirect speech. Okay. So in the previous video you have learned about the five time expressions which are changed in, which are to be replaced in the indirect speech. That is these, now, ago and here. These are the five time expression words which we have learned in the previous video. So let me give you a short recap. That is, this should be changed in the indirect as that these will be those and now will be then, ago will be before, at last here will be changed to there in the indirect speech. So now we are going to learn another five time expression words. So if you learn these time expression words also means that changing the indirect speech, changing direct speech into indirect speech will be very easy for you. It will be a piece of cake for you only. Okay. So let's learn about the last month. Okay. How the time expression word, that is last month, is going to change in the indirect speech. So last month, in these words, only the word last is going to be replaced as the previous. Okay, last month will be changed into the previous month. Last month is going to change as the previous month. Here month can be written as it is. Only in place of last we need to use which word? Very good, that is the previous. Suppose last day means it will become like the previous day. Last night, the previous night. Are you clear, children? When you find the word last in the indirect and now you want to change it into indirect speech means there last will be changing into the previous only. The word last should be changed into the previous only. So whatever the word next word is given, that will come as it is. Like last night will become like the previous night. The last day will become as like the previous day. Okay, only the word last is going to be changed. Let's go for the next word, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will come tomorrow. The word tomorrow should be replaced, should be written as the next day in the indirect speech. Tomorrow means the next day. Tomorrow, நாளைக்கு நம்ம அடுத்த நாள் வரேன்னு சொன்னா. So the next day only we need to write. Today or this day, we know what is the replacement of the word this in the indirect, that is that. So this day will be that day. Today also should be written as that day only. Clear? So next week will be the following week. Next week will be, we need to write like the following week. And at last, a week ago. Here a week will come as it is. Only the word ago, in place of ago only we are going to write before. We have learned already. Ago should be changed into before only. And this should be changed into that only. So these are the words which we have already learned. So this will be very easy for you. So are you clear, children? So now tell me the answer. If you find the word a week before, a week ago means what will you write in the indirect speech? A week will come as it is. In place of ago only you need to write as before. A week before. Next week should be written as the following week. In place of the word next, we need to use the following. Okay, the following. Today will be changed as that. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day. Last month, last should be written as the previous. Okay, previous. I hope you are clear with these time expression words. Let's learn with the example. Here I have written the two examples. So let's start doing the example so that it will be very easy for us. If we do practically means that will be very easy for us only. So first example, the boy said to me, I will complete my project tomorrow. The boy said to me, I will complete my project tomorrow. Boy வந்து என்கிட்ட சொன்னா, ஓகே, அந்த சிறுவன் என்கிட்ட சொன்னா, இல்ல பையன் என்கிட்ட சொன்னா, நான் என்னுடைய ப்ராஜெக்ட்டை நாளைக்கு முடிச்சிடுவேன். That is the translation. Now we need to change it into the indirect speech. We know the basic rule to change the indirect speech, that is the boy will come as it is, because boy is the speaker. Said will come as it is. In place then said to me also, up to this said to me will come as it is. In place of command quotation, I need to write that the boy said to me that. Now I is the first person pronoun. We need to change it into third person according to the subject. Here the subject is boy. Which is the correct third person pronoun for the boy? Yes, that is he. So the boy said to me that he, and will is the modal auxiliary verb. We need to write the past of modal auxiliary verb, that is will be changed as would. He would. Complete will come as it is. My project will come as it is. So can you find the time expression word? Yes, that is tomorrow. So here only we are going to make the changes, that is tomorrow is going to change it as what? Look at the tabular column. Tomorrow is going to change it as the next day. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day. So the boy said to me that he would complete not my project, will come like his. My should be changed into his only, because my is the object pronoun. Object pronoun should be changed into my is the possessive pronoun only, right? It is the first person pronoun only. It is the first person pronoun only that should be changed into the third person only. So in place of my, we need to write the third person, that is his project the next day. Tomorrow should be written as the next day. The next day. I don't have a place, that is why I am writing like this. The boy said to me that he would complete his project the next day. So totally we need to remove tomorrow, and in place of tomorrow we need to write the next day. Clear? Okay, let's do the next example. My brother said, I am happy today. My brother sonna இன்னைக்கு நான் happy இருக்கேன். So now we need to change it as the direct indirect speech. So my brother is the speaker. அப்போ my brother நான் அப்படியே எழுதணும். My brother said will come as it is. Now in place of comma and quotation, I need to write that. Now I will be changed as what? Yes, he, because I is the third person pronoun, first person pronoun, that should be changed into third person. So I should be changed as he. I am is the present verb, that should be written in past, that is was. Happy will come as it is. And today, we need to write today as what? In the indirect speech. Can you find today? Yes, here today. Today should be written as that day. So that day is the correct answer. So my brother said that he was happy that day. So here we have removed the command quotation. In that place we have written that I should be written into the third person. He, am is the present verb. Present should be written as past, that is was. Happy will come as it is, and today should be changed as that day. At the end we need to put the full stop only. So children, I hope you are clear with how to change the direct speech into indirect speech, and if it has a time expression words. Okay, so we have learned the three rules of changing the direct speech into indirect speech, and I'll meet you in the next video by doing how the introduction speech, that said or if reported speech comes with a question, means what do we need to write. All of those things we will be learning in the next video. Thank you.